All right, guys, so I'm here at Lowe's and I'm getting ready to pick up some wood. And you know, with Lowe's, you can either have them cut your wood or you can cut it yourself. And I think I'm gonna cut mine myself. I'm not sure, you'll find out in this video. But I need a shoe rack to put in my closet so that I don't have all these shoes in my hallway, which I'll show you my issue with shoes so you can see how you can fix it. Now, I'm looking at going with this Top Choice white wood board, which is a 1x2x8, and it's really long. And I'm thinking, you always want to get extra and you want to look at your board. You see how this board is curving? When you're looking for boards, lift them up and look all the way down them, and if you see it curved, you don't want it. Or you can lay it flat and see if it wobbles or lifts up, you don't want it. So I picked 3 good ones right here. So I'm going to take these 3, and technically to make a shoe rack that is going to be custom the way I want it, it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 7, about $7.50, less than $8 to make this. So let's get it started. This is one of the saws that they use to cut. I don't know if they're going to use this. I know at Home Depot they have like a ripper, and then they have the cutter. So I don't know. The guy said they could cut these back here, but if not, I'll just cut them with my saw once I get home, because I've been standing here for a little minute waiting. So let's see, guys. This guy is going to cut them for me. I already gave him the measurements and he was clear. He knows exactly what I'm trying to do. So he's going to cut all the parts so I don't have to do them when I get home. There's my wood. All right, got all my pieces cut. I'm about to go home. All right, so here's our issue. And I used to have one by the front door and one by the garage, but I just put them right here so they can be in a designated area. But this is even irritating me. And I figured the rack that I'm going to create can go up against this wall right here, or stick it in this closet, which needs to be revamped. It's like we just moved here, but it's just still stuff everywhere. That's hair and all types of stuff. So I'm gonna clean this out so you guys will see this nice and more organized. Our skates and everything is up here. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get in here, clean this, but you guys are gonna see how I put together the shoe rack for less than $8. Okay, less than $8. So let's get the shoe rack done. So here's all the wood that I had cut. These 3 are for some plant stands that I'm going to be making. So that's going to be a DIY you guys can look forward to as well, is the actual plant stands. But this right here is the pre-cut wood from Lowe's for the actual shoe rack. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is what we have as far as the wood. We have 6 30-inch pieces, 4 24-inch pieces, and then I have 2 6-inch pieces, which I'm going to take my miter saw and cut them smaller, because they're going to be what goes between these to space out the top and bottom of the rack. And then these 24 inches are going to be the legs for the actual stand. So these are all my pieces. So you have a total of 6, 10, 6, 10, and then these 2, which are going to be cut into, these are 6-inch pieces. So if I need, I gotta do some major cutting. I gotta get 4 pieces out of these. So I gotta evenly make 4 pieces out of these in order to put them to each bracket, because each shelf is going to need 2 on this side and 2 on that side for each side. So I got to get 4 pieces out of this and 4 pieces out of that. And I'm going to show you how to do that with my miter saw. So this measured out a little bit different than I thought. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to put my clamp and put these down together and cut them together. So that way, no matter where I cut, each piece will be the same, and I'll use those pieces to bracket the same side on the shelf. So I'm going to use my hand saw. That's what I'm using, my hand saw, and my miter box to do that. To get them to stay together, I'm going to use this clip, which is a clip that I got from Home Depot, and they're like 97 cents a piece. So if you need clips to keep your wood together, this is a great tool. And you probably already seen it in my video that I probably showed before this one, is how I built my dining room table. You want to keep readjusting it and make sure you're staying on the same line. And let's see how it looks. So we are basically through. Keep going. So those are the pieces. And I got to do 6 more. So let's continue. Seem like I'm going at a fast speed, but I am. All right, we got 4 down. 4 to go. Good thing about this is that once you make the cut, all 4 is already there because I'm just going to evenly cut. And the reason why the lines are off is because this was actually shorter than 6 inches, so I had to cut to make it even. All right, all 8 pieces are cut. Let's go put it together. Now that I got that glued, and I'm gonna slide the top on and just squeeze glue in and push it together and just leave it like this. So I'm strongly debating if I want to put another layer on here, but I know we have boots in the wintertime. I don't know, or if I'm gonna flip it around, that way it's deeper at the bottom and then shorter at the top. I don't know, but yeah, I didn't want to make it too complicated, but I don't like the extra. But then I could have cut it off, but I would have had to have already done that because I already put the glue in it, so we'll see. All right, so I'm proud of this, and I'm gonna keep it like that, and like in the future I might put another shelf on it because I might put it outside somewhere instead of in the closet. So yeah, let's go get this in the closet and get these shoes out of the hallway. So this is what we're working with, and if I kept it out here, this is what it would look like. Okay, all done. And the rack is down there, and I put a tray down there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it's so long, but some people are asking for longer videos, and I figured because this was making something, I can be more in depth and share how I'm utilizing my space. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and also share the channel and become a family member by subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And I will see you guys later.